My name is Tim Reeves, Superintendent for Elevated Stations on Line 6. My responsibilities are for the execution of the works, initially utility works, site acquisition, ultimately the civil works, the major concrete structures from 2 of the elevated stations on Line 6. The scope of work is to ensure that the safety of all personnel is achieved, the standard of quality is met, and that we adhere to the planning and the budget, to interface and liaise with the client's representative, RAMT, with the municipality, various stakeholders, to monitor and manage subcontractors and FAST personnel assigned to the stations, to work in parallel with other FAST departments, survey, monitoring, utilities, traffic, procurement, planning and engineering, to report progress and issues to the senior management. I joined FAST for Structon International on the 1st of April 2015. At the end of this month I'll have achieved my first year. Elevated stations for Line 6 faces various difficulties that other lines don't face. They're mainly in populated areas, densely congested with all kinds of utilities, foreseen and unforeseen. 6G2 now is the first station to start coming out of the ground for Line 6, and a learning curve has been developed now with the subcontractor as all other phases of the project have faced. 6H1 is ongoing now with utilities diversions and piling works. The piling works are being performed by the same team that was at 6G2. So we see that the learning curve has been achieved, that progress is increasing. We still have a long way to go on the project with elevated stations. We've just started, but we're dedicated to deliver top class stations, to connect now all of the viaducts that you see around about you on the project. My role as superintendent is for the execution of the work on site. I started my work in life as a carpenter more than 30 years ago. Riyadh Metro project now is the 4th metro project that I've been involved with. I worked in Amsterdam on the North-South line, elevated station Amsterdam-Bijlmer, an underground station on the City Ring project in Copenhagen. It's not to say that these are skills, but it brings experiences that I still use today on a daily basis. A lot of people know a lot of certain aspects of the work, but nobody knows everything about everything. I don't know if you could call it a skill, but to be able to pull on all of the resources and knowledge around you and in your team to work together in one direction is one of my strengths. Simple logic and problem solving. Sometimes it's not possible to see the wood because of the trees. But the solution normally lies within the problem itself. As for qualities, you need to be able to remain calm, collected, try to be patient and understanding, be able to take a step back and have a clear view of the complete situation. Communicate clearly, give clear instruction, motivate your team, and not be afraid to admit that somebody else knows better. Listen to people when they ask questions, because normally they want to know something or need information. Human nature is determined now that people don't enjoy making mistakes. I work very closely with the teams on the ground, on the sites, the site engineers, the supervisors, safety engineers, surveyors. I also work closely with the site support in the office, senior engineer, office engineers, CAD operators, and I also work closely with my direct manager. Concrete is a very useful product, but it's grey and it's complicated, and people develop it into the finished article. I love the challenge of the people, not the structure itself. There's a wealth of experience and knowledge within the FAST organisation that can overcome any technical difficulty that we have whatsoever. The challenge is to get all of the people now to want to work together in the same direction and to achieve the same goal. working with different cultures, different nationalities, forming a team, getting them all to work together and to be proud of what it is that they've achieved. For myself, I enjoy meeting new people from all walks of life, the new experiences, and learning something new every day, even if it be a new Arabic word. My thank you messages to my wife and children for supporting me. They were here last week, and now they have a better understanding of what it is to be in Saudi Arabia and what this project involves. A special thanks to the site teams, a big thank you for all of their commitment and their hard work, safety, engineering at 6G2 and 6H1. Big thanks to the labour that greet me every day with a smile upon their face, never complain, constantly work hard. And a special thanks to the two close friends I've made. We share coffee and have good times.